Now it's time to get the very latest weather forecast. Here's Helen Willetts.
Good evening. It's been a very turbulent 24 hours once again. The seas, although they're starting to ease, the winds are still very stormy and there's still some sharp showers out there. Now, we've been watching various lines of showers. One's been crossing Wales into the Midlands and the North East. They still persist across many northern areas, but starting to ease a little in the south, but ahead of another area of rain that's now creeping up through the English Channel. This mass of clouds likely to give the southeastern areas more rain, and this one here could bring more general rain to England and Wales during tomorrow evening and overnight. In fact, still around the Thursday morning rush hour. So yes, there's a potential before then even that we could see some more rainfall to exacerbate the flood situation across southern and eastern areas. The winds are tending to ease a little bit, but the showers maintain their grip across the northwest of the country, at least through the night. It's not going to be particularly cold, but a little less mild than last night. So we could have a touch of frost in Grampian and one or two icy patches on the roads potentially. But it's a fairly quiet start in comparison to this morning. Still showers around, but they shouldn't be as frequent as they've been today or as intense. So there'll be more sunshine, lighter winds, temperatures a bit above the average, so very pleasant weather for many of us until much later in the day when this starts to push in towards the south and the west. And we'll still have showers further northwest across Scotland. Here they continue to pester the Northern Isles, the Western Isles across the Highland region as well. Fewer getting into Aberdeenshire around the Moray Firth and down towards the borders. Mostly dry, bright weather by the afternoon across Northern Ireland, Northern England, but it starts to cloud over for Wales and across southern England, and the rain is with us as we head towards the rush hour across the Bristol Channel coast of South Wales and across Devon, Cornwall and into the Isles of Scilly. And there's potential again for a lot of rain from this weather system. It should move through. So we're perhaps talking about 20 to 30 millimetres over the hills, 10 to 20 quite generally, which is not welcome, of course. The ground is so saturated. There are numerous flood warnings still out. That heads its way northwards, and there could be some snow for the northern Pennines, the Fells, for example. And then it starts to pull out the way, but not before it gives us a miserable rush hour on Thursday morning. Brief ridge of high pressure follows, and then just a narrow band of rain really for Friday. And then the ridge of high pressure builds in as we head towards the weekend. So some drier weather by that stage, but before then, some more rain. So, as I say, for the weekend, it looks a little bit quieter, but before then, we've got to put up with some more rain before we get that dry weather with light winds around.